System administrators are critical to maintaining the smooth operation of an organization's IT infrastructure. They are responsible for managing servers, networks, software, and security systems, ensuring that technology resources function efficiently and reliably. A system administrator must possess technical expertise, problem-solving abilities, and the capacity to respond quickly to technical issues while supporting end users and teams. Their role is integral to preventing downtime, securing systems, and enabling organizational productivity. System administrator interviews evaluate both technical proficiency and soft skills. Employers assess candidates' knowledge of operating systems, network configurations, security protocols, troubleshooting skills, and experience with system monitoring tools. Additionally, communication skills, organizational abilities, and the capacity to manage multiple tasks under pressure are essential. Preparing for these interviews requires understanding common technical scenarios, demonstrating problem-solving abilities, and providing examples that highlight both technical expertise and collaboration. This video covers common system administrator interview questions, sample answers, and tips to help candidates succeed. Question 1. Why do you want to work as a system administrator? Answer begins here. I am passionate about technology and problem-solving. Working as a system administrator allows me to manage IT infrastructure, ensure system reliability, and support users effectively. I enjoy troubleshooting complex issues and implementing solutions that improve organizational efficiency and security. Tip: highlight your interest in IT systems, problem-solving, and user support. Question 2. What skills are essential for a system administrator? Answer begins here. Essential skills include proficiency with operating systems, Windows, Linux, network administration, server management, and security protocols. Strong problem-solving abilities, attention to detail, communication skills, and the ability to work under pressure are also crucial. Tip: combine technical skills with interpersonal and organizational abilities. Question 3. How do you manage user accounts and permissions? Answer begins here. I manage accounts by creating, updating, and removing user profiles according to organizational policies. I assign appropriate permissions based on roles, monitor access logs, and ensure compliance with security standards to prevent unauthorized access. Tip: emphasize security awareness, accuracy, and adherence to policies. Question 4. How do you handle system outages? Answer begins here. I respond promptly by identifying the root cause, implementing a temporary fix if necessary, and coordinating with relevant teams. I document the incident, analyze it for future prevention, and communicate updates to stakeholders until full functionality is restored. Tip: highlight problem-solving, calmness under pressure, and communication. Question 5. What experience do you have with server management? Answer begins here. I have experience managing both physical and virtual servers, performing regular maintenance, monitoring performance, implementing updates, and ensuring backup and disaster recovery procedures are in place. Tip: mention specific server environments and tools used. Question 6. How do you ensure network security? Answer begins here. I implement firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and regular software updates. I conduct vulnerability assessments, monitor access logs, enforce strong password policies, and educate users on security best practices to minimize risks. Tip: demonstrate a proactive and comprehensive approach to security. Question 7. How do you handle software updates and patches? Answer begins here. I schedule updates during low traffic periods, test patches in a controlled environment, and implement them systematically across the network. I also document changes and communicate any impact to users to ensure minimal disruption. Tip: emphasize planning, testing, and communication skills. Question 8. How do you monitor system performance? Answer begins here. I use monitoring tools to track server load, network traffic, storage usage, and application performance. Regular monitoring helps identify potential issues before they become critical and allows for proactive maintenance. Tip: highlight the use of monitoring tools and proactive problem solving. Question 9. How do you troubleshoot hardware issues? Answer begins here. I assess the hardware components, run diagnostic tests, and consult manufacturer documentation. I replace or repair faulty components as needed and ensure minimal disruption to operations. Tip: demonstrate technical expertise, systematic troubleshooting, and efficiency. Question 10. How do you prioritize tasks as a system administrator? Answer begins here. I prioritize based on urgency and impact on operations. Critical outages or security issues come first, followed by routine maintenance and user requests. I maintain a task management system to track progress and ensure nothing is overlooked. Tip: show organizational skills, time management, and strategic thinking. Question 11. How do you handle backup and disaster recovery? Answer begins here. I implement regular backups, test recovery procedures, and ensure off-site or cloud storage for redundancy. In case of a failure, I follow the disaster recovery plan to restore systems efficiently and minimize data loss. Tip: emphasize reliability, planning, and preventive measures. Question 12. How do you support end users? Answer begins here. I provide timely technical support, troubleshoot software and hardware issues, and guide users in resolving problems. I document solutions to build a knowledge base and reduce recurring issues, ensuring a smooth user experience. Tip: highlight communication skills, patience, and problem solving. Question 13. How do you handle multiple simultaneous technical issues? Answer begins here. I assess the urgency of each issue, delegate tasks if possible, and tackle problems methodically. Clear communication with stakeholders ensures they're informed while I work on resolving critical issues first. Tip: show multitasking, prioritization, and communication skills. Question 14. How do you keep up with new technologies? Answer begins here. I regularly read industry publications, participate in webinars and training sessions, and experiment with new tools in controlled environments. Staying updated ensures that I can implement the best practices and innovative solutions in the organization. Tip: highlight continuous learning and adaptability. Question 15. Why should we hire you as a system administrator? Answer begins here. I bring extensive experience in managing IT infrastructure, troubleshooting complex issues, and implementing secure, efficient systems. My technical expertise, problem-solving abilities, and commitment to supporting users make me a reliable and effective system administrator. Tip: align technical skills, experience, and reliability with the organization's needs. Closing thoughts. System administrator interviews evaluate technical knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and the capacity to manage complex IT environments. Employers want candidates who can maintain system reliability, ensure security, support users, and adapt to changing technology demands. Preparing examples from past experience, demonstrating familiarity with tools and protocols, and showcasing communication and organizational skills are crucial to success. Focus on highlighting troubleshooting capabilities, multitasking efficiency, and proactive management of IT resources. Emphasize your ability to maintain security, support end users, and ensure uninterrupted operations. Being prepared with specific examples, demonstrating technical competence, and communicating clearly will help you present yourself as a capable and professional system administrator. By practicing scenario-based answers, illustrating past experiences, and demonstrating both technical expertise and interpersonal skills, you can position yourself as a candidate who not only manages IT systems effectively but also contributes to organizational success and operational efficiency.